Hi, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Hello, welcome back to my channel, and for today's vlog, I'm going to share to you how I started as a small content creator here in YouTube. So before that, can you please subscribe in my YouTube channel and also click the notification bell all so that you will be updated in my next vlog. And if you like my video today, then you may as well click the like button. So how I started as a content creator here in YouTube? Well, I started way back 2014 and I uploaded my first video that time. This is the video of my son doing a gimme gimme dance, and that time I do not know anything about monetization, that a channel in YouTube can be monetized. So I do not know anything about thumbnail, the title, how to optimize title, videos, tags, keywords, and everything about YouTube. So I just uploaded there because I thought that it's like an FB that you can upload anything you would like. So going back then, I do not also know that you should have to have a target audience, and you should have a niche. So that is why if you're going to scan my videos there, you can see that excuse me, it is more of a mixed topics. I have cooking, I have beauty vlog, I have humor vlogs, I have family vlogs, I have YouTube tutorials, I have actually there are a lot of topics I have in my channel. So going back, I uploaded my second video after 4 years. That was 2018. Now if you are going to see those two videos, you can see there that it is already uploaded 1 year ago, because that would really happen if you are already monetized. So 1 year ago, even if you uploaded that already 6 years ago, but when you are monetized, it will be set into 1 year ago from the time you monetized. So my second video was about Pampers Go Galaw contest, because during that time I see in Facebook that there is a contest and you need to upload that to YouTube. So I filmed videos of my son, which is this one, and I uploaded that in YouTube. That was 2018, 4 years ago. So that was my second video after my first video. And my third video was all about my funny experience when I apply as an ESL teacher. So after 25 videos, I think that was the time that I already knew that there was that monetization of channel. And so I started to become serious uploading after 25 videos, and I also started learning about how to edit, how to make thumbnails. So if you can see there in my arm sling video, I already started putting thumbnail there, and I can say that I am not that expert, so I am not really good in making thumbnails that is clickable and enticing. So I just continue doing uploading videos, but I didn't upload videos every day, every week. I uploaded videos whenever I like to upload, so I don't really have that schedule. So after, what do you call this, November 2020, when I realized that I should be able to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before 2021 came, because there was a news that time, according to them, that all the YouTube creators, small content creators who are not yet monetized, will YouTube will put ads in your videos, and you will not be earning from those advertisements that will be put in your videos. So I was really anxious at that time, worried that I will not be able to get anything from the advertisements that will be put in my videos. So what I did that time is I really made sure that before 2021 I would be able to hit that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And I will be sharing to you in my next video how I reach that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And I hope you will follow that part 2 of my story, so that you will learn also why I lost many subscribers. If you are going to look at my videos there, I have videos that I lost 95 subscribers in one day, because I will share to you something really in this part 2, why I lost a lot of subscribers. So I hope you can stay tuned in my next video, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So thank you so much for watching, and shout outs to my subscribers, and namely thank you so much for being a good friend of mine and for connecting with me. So until then, bye.